I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better if I give all my love, then nothing's gonna tear us apart.
Hey guys, I'm back and I'm super excited because I have some hair from my good friends over there at Nadula Hair. Y'all know I absolutely adore them. If you look down in the description box, you'll see a direct link to this wig and all the details, as well as that subscribe button. And be sure to subscribe because I upload almost daily. So Nadula Hair is not new to us on this channel. They are one of my most favorite human hair wig companies, and y'all notice how I do human hair on this channel. I have to try them at least 4 or 5 times, and once I see that it is good quality, it is nice hair, we'll add them to the rotation. Nadula hit that mark a very long time ago, so I'm pretty sure whatever in this box I am going to love. All I did was take it out of its shipping packaging because I like to do everything on camera with y'all. So let's see what other goodies they have given us and then get into the wig. So the wigs do come with these very nice iridescent storage cases, which I do love. I use them for all types of stuff, just not in my wig. So outside of the storage, almost hit myself. Outside of the storage case, they also have a silk bag with their name on it for you to store your unit. Let's open up this box because I can't remember what I got. All right. So we have the wig, and when I say they include extras, they include some bomb extras. All right, so some stocking caps, of course, that's pretty standard. But then they give you a brush with their branding on it, which is totally cute. An edge band with their branding on it. Then if we open up this mesh set, they have given us more stocking caps, which you can never have enough. Another edge band because I lose mine all the time. And some press-on nails, and y'all know I'm team press-on nail. But they also gave this little box like they've been asking me to marry them. Let's see. Am I gonna be married, y'all? Are they marrying me? No. But it is a very cute. Oh, that actually is very cute. It's a necklace with their name on, like a little herringbone there. Got a little, is that a heart? A heart. That is very cute, and that's new. So those extras do matter as you spend your coin on this hair. So as far as the wig goes, came in this plastic bag, and I'm just reading directly out here, but like I said, if you look in the description box, you'll see all the details as well. This is one of their pre-everything wigs, which means that I should not have to do anything. It should come out of the pack ready to slay. So it's a 13x4 pre-everything wig. It is 12 inches long, and it is Yaki straight. I have a feeling I think this is a little bob, which y'all know with the summer heat, I have really been bobbing it up, even though bobs are not my faves. Also included in the wig, they have included these pre-everything little strips. What this is, this like makes the wig lay so flush to your hair. I absolutely love these. At first, I didn't think I would when I was trying these with human hair wigs, but I absolutely live by them. And they've also included a glueless band for the wig as well. Okay, as far as the cap construction goes, y'all, this Yaki kinky texture is so pretty to me. It's so realistic. Okay, so as far as cap construction goes, you get that 13x4 parting space, and you get these little slits where you can include the glueless band. One here, and you know those pre-everything tabs that I taught you about, they've already attached to our unit, so we do not have to add any, but they have given us tons of extras to take us through the season. You also get a comb in the back and adjustable straps to go along with those glueless tabs. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply that glueless band to this and put this wig on my head before I do anything to it, so we can see what it looks like straight out of the pack. So I've attached that glueless band, so now I'm just gonna apply this to my head with nothing being done to it, because they said it's a pre-everything wig, which means everything should be pre-done for us. Nothing to cut, nothing to glue, none of those things. And I must say, y'all, hold up, let me take that off. Okay, there we go. I must say, I think that's pretty good, huh? Of course, I'm gonna have to run my flat iron through this. But I think that not having to cut anything, not having to, what else do you know the girls do that I'm not gonna do because I'm lazy? Not having to do all that extra on the Easy Bob is what makes this wig work for summer. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run my flat iron through it, and then I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts on this gorgeous unit that I can tell I'm already gonna love. Be right back. Guys, so I'm back with my final thoughts on this wig, and Nadula did exactly what Nadula always does. They gave us some bomb quality hair, some affordable hair, some beginner friendly hair. Just, there is not a single complaint I have about this wig. The other thing that I wanted to show you was I applied those tabs, and y'all, this feels so secure on my head, like it's not going anywhere. Secret. Any wig that I wear, I apply those tabs to them now because it makes it feel so safe and secure on my head. So I 1000% recommend this one. If this is too short for you, know that you can get this unit in so many different lengths. You can go shorter, you can go longer. I think that this length is absolutely perfect for summer. The texture on this unit is also very, very natural and very, very pretty. Remember that this is a 13x4, so you can part this wherever you so choose. So this one is a definite winner. I do recommend that you go check this one out from Nadula Hair. If you look in the description box, I'll put a direct link to where you can get this unit. And go check out their website, like I said, because they're gonna deliver every single time I review hair from them. Until next time, y'all, which will be very, very soon. Bye.